Hi guys, so today I'm in a game of Billy. It's called Roleplay vs. Belonging, so just get started. Oh, and never do that in real life. I just do it because I want to see where it's going to. This is a Belonging awareness game. If you don't like the story, then I'm sorry. Mentally, this is a game for education, experience, and fun. Not mess with that dude over there. Okay. Do whatever he says. Okay. What? I'm looking for math class C. You'll have to... Oh, sorry. I don't take up... He's really... There's a note. Read. Meet me at the locker. Listen. Where are the chocolates? Listen. I forgot. Listen. You're going to get it. Listen. No, please. Listen. Just get going. I've someone to meet. Hey, can I have some student cries more? So you got my notes? I have rules you should know. Rules? 1. Do as I say, okay? Don't tell me on a adult, okay? Not ask questions. Okay. I didn't say promise, huh? Haha. A student dropped her tray. Help. You're helping me? Yeah. Nobody ever helps me. But me? Thank you so much. You see the student who was crying earlier? Mind if I eat your lunch? Now go ahead. Eat. What? I didn't say this. Oh, okay. This is weird. Really weird. Ouch. After school at home, it's bedtime. Yahoo! It's me, not you. The Billy pushes you. Oh, okay. I can do to dance. To dance. Like just dance. Okay. Honey, are you alright? You wake up. You scare me. What? I heard you screaming. Sorry, I scared you. It's fine. Time for school. And here's a Billy. Second day of school. What do you want? I've got your first order. Okay. Sneak into the principal's office and get to answer the sheet of tomorrow's test. Okay. Haha, good luck on that order. Thanks. That's what's mean to be sarcastic. Yeah, I know, because you're really mean. You're mean like the bully. You head over to principal's office. Okay, perfect. I haven't seen you here before. Welcome to the worst school ever. It is the worst, I know, right? The worst. Hey, I have to sneak into the principal's office. You shall tell him to Billy I'm going to do this. I'm too far away for the chat. Okay, see? You hear someone in the office. Okay. Oh, hi. Need something? Sounds Billy. Thanks for bringing this to my attention. So you got it? No. What did you say? I didn't get it. You're going to get it. No. Billy fights you. Fights back. You win to fight. Oh yeah. Go true. Here if you fight Billy, don't fight Solomon's Billy. Yeah, it is. Ready for your next order? I won't go to it. What? I said I won't do it. It is a fight then. I will never do your orders. I can pick another student. Not when I'm around. What are you going to do about it? I'll tell the principal. I bet you won't. Call the principal. Wait. Yes? I can change. Tell me why you are bullying. It's bullying why he is a bully. But I wanted to know. Thanks for playing. Thanks so much for playing this game. I hope you maybe learned something from this and had fun. By the way, bye guys. Like and subscribe and ring the bell. And comment down below what you want to do next time. Thanks for watching.